Hi, in this video I'll show you how to enable Autoscroll in Chromium-based browsers on Linux. Autoscroll is a built-in feature on Windows that lets you scroll pages by clicking the middle mouse button. Super handy, especially if your mouse wheel does not work properly. On Firefox, enabling it is easy. Just go to the settings and turn it on. But on Chromium-based browsers like Chrome or Brave, it is a bit trickier. First, I'm gonna show you how to turn it on in the Brave browser. Open the Brave. In the address bar, type brave://flags. Search for Autoscroll. Enable it. Restart the browser. And that's it. Now I'll show you how to enable it in other Chromium-based browsers. Unlike Brave, Google Chrome and Chromium don't have a visible flag for this feature. Instead, you need to edit the launcher command and add a special flag manually. Here's how. Right-click on the Start menu and select Edit menu. In older Linux Mint versions, go to Configuration first. Then click the Menu tab and finally click Open the menu editor. Now go to the Internet category, find your browser, then click Properties. In the command field, at the end of the existing command, add this flag. The flag is also listed in the video description. Click OK and close. Now, every time you launch Chrome from the menu, Autoscroll will be enabled. This method also works for Chromium and most other Chromium-based browsers, except Brave, of course, which has its own toggle. And that is all! Autoscroll is now working in your Chromium-based browser on Linux. Bonus: if you like how my Linux Mint looks, check out the description for a link to download this exact theme. There's also a link to another video where I show how to install and customize it. Thank you for watching.